Your assignment is to write a block, make a block which does a bubble sort of some list. So here is my list, and I suggest you make a list just like this list. This is a list of numbers, and I'm making it a list of 10 random numbers. I'm repeating 10 times, I'm picking a random number, and I'm adding it to my list. So if I run this, you can see every time I run it, it creates a new random list. I'll run it one more time. So here's my list of numbers. I'll run it again. You can see I've got 10 random numbers. They're different every time. So you're going to make this to create a random list, and then you're going to write a bubble sort block to sort this. And I'll run mine. Now I made my bubble sort block with a couple of delays built in, so you can kind of see what's happening, but yours is not going to do this. So I have to hit the space bar to get started, and you can see that it is certainly out of order here. Now you know how a bubble sort works, is it goes down the list starting from the beginning, and if something's out of place, it swaps it. So it would swap these, it would swap these, it would swap these, and so forth. And when I run it, you'll see exactly what happens. I have the sprite say which rows are being swapped. So 1 and 2 get swapped, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, and so forth. And you can see this 10 here is moving all the way down to the end of the list, and now the 10 is in the correct position. And now, again, when I wrote mine, I put some stops in there, so when I hit the space bar, you'll see it run again, and you can see it compares these two, the next two, swaps 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and so forth. And by the time it gets to the end, 8 is in place. And I can run it again, and again you can see it compares consecutive items in the list and moves them down. Now, is it totally done yet? I don't think so. So I'll run it again. Is it completely done yet? No, I don't think so. You can see that it's still running. And it keeps running until the entire list is in order, which it is currently now in order, and I can tell this thing stopped running. So inside my bubble sort block, now yours is going to obviously work faster than mine because I put in these say statements and you're not going to have any of that. But inside my bubble sort block, I have one of these blocks that's in order. Now you've already done something that does this. So if I run this, is this list in order? True, it's in order. So you know how to write this block already to check whether or not a list is in order. This is going to return true or false, and my bubble sort is going to keep repeating as long as the list is not in order. Or it'll repeat until it's in order is another way of thinking about it. So it'll go through the entire list, and if a set of rows is not in order, it'll swap them. And again, you know how to write this block too. So keep repeating until everybody's in order, and go down the list, and if something's not in order, if two rows are not in the right order, you swap them. And you know how to write this swap block. I mean, I can swap rows 1 and 2. Of course, it's not doing it in this list. Oh, because I have list there. It should say my list. But this will swap 2 rows. You can see it'll swap them. So this is a pretty simple block to write, and you're going to use these 2 blocks which you have already written. Is something in order, a list in order, and swap 2 rows. So good luck, you can do it.